Good greetings, everyone. This is Aditi Goyal, and today I'm here back with another interesting chapter of biology. I also know very difficult to understand. All this glomerular filtration, nephrology is very complex. And in this video series, I'm going to take you through the simplest and the most interesting explanations of excretory products and their elimination. But before we begin with the class and I introduce you to our nephros system, I would like to introduce myself. So, my name is Aditi Goyal. I am a final year MBBS student at RUHS CMS Jaipur. For the past 5 years, I have been teaching biology and guiding NEET aspirants. So, here I am with my explanation of excretory products and elimination. Let's begin, guys. All right. So there are different forms of nitrogenous waste. Nitrogenous waste. What do they mean? Nitrogenous waste mean the waste that contain compounds containing nitrogens. Okay, like ammonia, urea, uric acid. Let's understand them one by one. So, ammonia is the first product that is generated by your metabolism. It is the most toxic form. It requires large volume for elimination and it's excreted by diffusion across our body surfaces. Like in fishes, they have gills and they are secreted as ammonium ions. What are ammonium ions? When ammonia, whose formula is NH3, combines with free protons or hydrogen ions, it becomes ammonium ions. So this process is called ammonotelism. Your question might be, why, ma'am, the ammonia is becoming ammonium ion? The answer is because ammonia in itself is very toxic. So that is why it is converted to this ammonium ion. Yes, so the ammonia is a waste product in lower vertebrae like bony fishes, aquatic amphibians, aquatic insects which do not have properly developed nephros system. Then urea. Urea is a little less toxic than ammonia. There is moderate water loss when we excrete urea. It is produced in the liver and filtered by the kidneys. That process is known as ureotelism. Like us, mammals, terrestrial amphibians, marine fishes, we all excrete urea and we have a cycle in our liver which is called urea cycle that leads to formation of urea from ammonia. All right. Is there even more advanced one that we humans also don't have? Yes, there is one. There is uric acid. Uric acid is the least toxic of all. There is minimum water loss in this one. It is excreted as a pellet or paste. Do you remember any excretory product that comes upon as a paste on your head? Oh, yes, that's a bird's feces, right? So, yes, that process is known as uricotelism. The reptiles, birds, land snails, they excrete in this way. So, now we'll remember what kind of nitrogenous waste one can excrete: ammonia, urea, and uric acid. All right, moving ahead. So, now what are the excretory structures in the animal kingdom? There are different kinds of structures based upon the advancement. So, first one is protonephridia. Protonephridia are basically the flame cells. Or they help in osmoregulation. Osmoregulation is all the compounds, all the salts that are dissolved in water, and in whom? In platyhelminthes, the flat body organisms, the rotifers, and the infectious. So this is the most primitive type of excretory system. Then in more advanced organisms we have nephridia. Nephridia help in nitrogenous waste removal and also in the fluid balance in earthworms and annelids. If you notice, before then we were only having osmoregulation. Then comes up even more advanced system, the Malpighian tubules. Yes, your favorite animals, the cockroaches, they have them. So Malpighian tubes help them in waste removal and osmoregulation in insects. Then comes in antennae. Oh, I thought antennae are there to hear. Actually, the antennal glands, in the antenna, there are antennal glands, which are also known as green glands. They aid in excretory function in crustaceans. Who are crustaceans? The prawns, the crabs. And the most advanced system of all that we have is kidney. It's the complex tubular organ in vertebrates. Okay, I understand. Cool. Now let's take a look over a human excretory system. Since it is the most advanced system, what are its components? It consists of a pair of kidneys, pair of ureters, urinary bladder, urethra. Yes, you see on the screen, I'll take you through them. This is the kidney. This is a bean shaped organ. When you take a cross section of it, the outer section of kidney is known as cortex. The inner divisions are known as medulla, and the sections of medulla combine to form pelvis and they intersect at the hilum. Okay, all right. And what is on the cap like kidney? That is your adrenal gland. Then we have two ureters connecting to the urinary bladder, and there we have our urethra. Yes? Now, the kidney's location, where is it? It is in the last thoracic or third lumbar vertebra, close to our dorsal inner abdominal wall. What are the dimensions of a kidney? 10 to 12 centimeter in length. Oh, that's like about my scale. 5 to 7 centimeter in the width and 2 to 3 centimeter in the thickness. And the average weight of a human kidney is around 120 to 170 gram. This is the hilum you see. What is it? It is a notch on the inner concave surface. And you see there are a lot of structures entering through this hilum. The arteries, veins and the ureters. All right, ma'am. Now I understand, and now I think this was so easy chapter, and I was said for no reason. Yes. So if you are looking for a complete study solution, you definitely need to check out Pathshala. They offer one-on-one live classes, instant doubt solving, and premium study materials that cover all grades and all boards. It's basically like having a personal tutor in your pocket. To get started, just download the app using the link in the description box. Search for the subject you want to learn, and they will connect you to the best teachers in the country. Seriously, go check it out. The links are right there in the description box below. And before we meet in the next video, keep waiting for the excretory system part 2, and also revise and also drop down your doubts in the comment section. All the best, guys. Take care.